Every time you see me, you Earthlings turn and run. I don't know what your problem is. I'm really super fun. I'm a Martian, not a great white shark. I'm a Martian. I play Frisbee in the park. Come over to my party. It's not that long a trip. You'll be glad you made the journey for my 7-layered dip. I like sharing cheese pizza. You see, I'm not so bad. Do you like little puppies? I make them in my lab. I'm a Martian. I hope for you no ill will. A Martian. Does someone need a chill pill? My name's Marvin. I'm a Martian. La 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 lee lee loo. Let's share a lemon soda and talk about our feelings. But don't insult my helmet, cause then I'll hit the ceiling. I got a laser! And it's pointed at your planet. It's my laser! So don't take me for granted. I'm a Martian! Boom shakalaka. I'm a Martian! Shakalaka. Boom.
It's President's Day. It's time to reflect on those wonderful men that we elect. Abraham Lincoln and George Washington, Thomas Jefferson and Alec Baldwin. Celebrate Oscar de la Hoya. Fought off the British so they would not annoy ya. Raise the flag, the stars and stripes. Our 41st president, Wesley Snipes. Charles Nelson Riley won the war with the help of his mighty Vice President Thor. We were in trouble at the Battle of Manila, but lucky for us, we had President Godzilla.
Thanks, President Godzilla.
My country, 'tis of the sweet land of Mr. T and Mrs. T. They did so much for us, like President Spartacus, who chopped down a forest so we can have softer toilet paper.
Okay, this is really soft.
And now, let's salute one of our greatest presidents, President Johnson. Oh, no, not that one. No, sorry, not him either. Oh, there he is! So celebrate our fearless leaders, like Harrison Ford and his VP Derek Jeter. And let's not forget President Pacino, fought at the Alamo with Robert De Niro. Celebrate everyone dancing for the first woman president, Scarlett Johansson. It's President's Day, yeah.
Oh my gosh, I just sounded exactly like President Christina Aguilera. That is so crazy.
I had a toy train when I was young, but a wheel fell off and it wouldn't run. And ooh, I blew my stack. Daddy sent me to school, but things got weird when the kids made fun of my long red beard. And ooh, I blew my stack. The merchant marine kept my temper at bay until a dolphin looked at me the wrong way. And ooh, I blew my stack.
Oh, man.
So I worked at the library, peaceful place, but people kept turning their books in late, and ooh, I blew my stack. Well, I try to stay calm, cool as ice, but somebody says something just not nice. Deep inside, I just don't feel right. I'm like a walking stick of lit dynamite. I'm about to blow, you better go. You're about to guest star on the Blow My Stack show. Show. Anger management class says count to 10, but I only get to 3, and then, guess what? I blow my stack!
You didn't get to 10.
Hey, quit rubbing it in!
Sorry, Sam, that's what happened.
It's like you're trying to get me to blow my stack!
Maybe that's the plan.
Oh, I'm a-warning you!
He's gonna go kerblam.
Oh!
Chicken hawk, getting hungry. Chicken hawk, getting hungry.
I want some chicken to eat. It is my favorite meat. I like it crispy or glazed. It puts me in a daze. I like it fried up or baked. On my birthday, I eat chicken cake.
Chicken hawk's not a chicken. He's just a hawk that eats chicken.
Now Now, just 1 second. All right, I've got something for your appetite. There's so many things that you could eat. There's a Chinese restaurant down the street. Or how about a fish taco, son? This bakery's got good honey buns.
So juicy, so tasty. Hey, chicken, get in my mouth.
How about a hot dog with mustard and sauerkraut?
No, I want some chicken. No lie, you are my chicken pot pie.
Instead of chicken, try pork. Just please put down that fork. Try my grandma's baked beans. They've got 10 grams of protein. They're gooey, sweet, and piping hot. You'll want to eat the whole dang pot.
Chicken Hawk, gonna eat the beans. Chicken Hawk is enjoying the beans.
I knew you'd come around, son.
You know what would go good with these beans? Chicken.
Uh-oh.
Get over here, chicken.
Chicken does go